this is Steven. He is the largest of the boys in Quinn's litter, right underneath the largest girl, so he's second largest in the litter. He'll probably be charting around the 13-pound range. He is heavily roaned, as you can see in his coloring and his belly here. All this is going to be coming in ticked and roaned, as well as on his paws, you can notice here. He is also a black party, and he kind of has a blanket on his back, but it does have some white hairs up here, and you can see the roaning and ticking in it very strong there too. Again, this is Steven. You can find him on ClassyCanonCompanions.com or send me a message if you have any questions about him.